afternoon, everyone. I want to show a little bit of live trading today. So I want to show you a scenario. So this is a $40,000 combine for TopStep. Let's say you came in and you blew the first trade. You're down $833, and you're looking to turn it all around. Obviously, like you want to pass. Like when I do evaluations, typically I do them a lot more aggressively. We all do them more aggressively because we want to pass them. But you also have to be consistent and still be aggressive. So it's been a wild day, but we're on a crazy downtrend today. We're just looking to pick our spots. We have a beautiful, beautiful short here on the NASDAQ that is setting up on our chart, our linear regression. We're just red, red, red central everywhere. So you can see it there. I mean, you can just see like all indicators we have just complete disaster today. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to take a big old short just so we can go ahead and knock out a bit of this this combine. So let's go ahead and pick our nice spot. So I'll show you exactly how I would pick a spot. So again, we're getting a little bump here. We're looking for a nice another 50-point short here, which is coming. We can see it here on all of our charting that it's ugly. It just has not been recovering really from anything. So we're going to go ahead and we'll take a 3 contract short, and we'll go ahead and we'll plot out our parameters. So typically I multiply the ATR by 2, or we'll do a swing high. In this case I'm going to do a swing high, so I'm trading on a shorter time frame. So when I say swing high, I mean we'll set our stop loss at the last swing high, the last recent swing high. And that usually keeps it pretty simple. So this is a very easy trade here. Really not much to this. Again, we're just on all of my algorithmic indicators that I use for trading. We're just showing significant bearishness. So we're going to go ahead and we took the short. So let's see how it plays out. Let's pull up some of these charts here just to verify. And yeah, we're on a little bit of a down a 30-second time frame, which I'm trading off of for this one. Now, a lot of people ask, a lot of people say, because there's been a lot of traders, big time traders out there that talk about not using the 1 minute time frame and the 50 or we want to use 5 minute and above. So let me explain something. That's total bogus nonsense, and I'll explain a lot of this in some of my other videos. But you see we're up nicely. We got about 210. So we're really, again, we lost 800 in that first trade, so we're really looking to clear something big here. So let's see, with 3 contracts, $1,000 is going to be right there. So we got to take profit there. We can start moving our stop, guarantee us some money. So let's go ahead and put our stop in. $500 loss. We can go ahead and bust this all the way up to. So we're guaranteed $120. We ain't losing anything else. So this puts us back on track and ahead a little bit after a bad trade. So you can see us playing out. We're definitely going to catch or take profit here. There's no doubt. The market's really, really falling apart today. But I wanted you guys to see this live. So when I'm still in this trade, yes, I can't. If I get stopped out now, I still make $120. Obviously, not what we want. We want better. I'm going to move it now to 330. So you see what we already cleared the trade. So we're done. So that's how fast that happened. So I'm just glad everyone, caught that. It was a little more volatile than usual. I was prepared to stay in this a little bit longer. But you see, we turned the whole day around now. I was down $800 on a combine. Now I'm up 400. I'm going to lock myself out typically after something like that. Anyone doesn't know, lock me out stuff. That's what I'm doing. So just so you know, I just started working on my 5 XFAs, as a drill, just for YouTube, to show you how fast I can pass them with proper discipline and risk reward. But this was a nice example I wanted, because I think this is the biggest problem. It's a problem I had in trading when I would trade evaluations. You do want to be a little more aggressive on evaluation, but you still want to just stick to your plan. It's when you want to be the same trading style, you just might be changing your risk reward for parameters to maybe get it done faster. But you have to know what you're doing. That's the whole point. So in this particular case, we had a home run trade. We're locked out, so all my accounts are up for the day. I liquidated them, so I'm knocked out. I'm shut down for the day. But we had a very good day today. Let me move myself here so you can see it. So daily P&L, one live, one express that just went live is up 75. Total is up 724 on that account, which just went live on, and I got 4 others that are about to go live. Let's see, we got one here. I'm at 25.96. I got 350 to go on that one. We got 1,000 to go on this one. So we're getting up there. My goal is to have 5 XFAs by the end of the week. Logging most of it here on YouTube, just to show people how you go ahead and manage these types of situations. But I'm glad you watched, and I have another video posted today about linear regression, how I use it in day trading. It's probably the most important strategy you need to know when it comes to trading, because it's a non-lagging type of a strategy. So you see here, just a quick example before I sign off here. This is my linear regression line that constantly retraces itself, but it's not like Fibonacci that just traces onto a path. This is showing me the predicted future based on linear regression. Now again, that's not to say it's going to go down. It could flip real easily, but not until it plots linear regression numbers in these candles that are going to shift the overall trend. So yeah, you could get a pop up, and that's part of my strategy. We do short trade, do short scalps on some pops. So like, for example, if this popped above the 9-day EMA right now on this short time frame, and we're in a heavily oversold scenario with a positive MACD, I would absolutely take a quick long, try to scalp. Again, because I would show it coming back, and then we would let it settle. If it continues, we're on the bull side, or it's another bounce. But you can get ahead of these things to day trade. It is very possible. It's done. I mean, I profit every day day trading. I know a lot of people do as well. And you can do that without taking any sort of big loss. Even on your worst days, you still come out ahead, or even maybe down a little bit, but it's the confidence that you have of knowing you have an edge on the market. So I'm glad you all tuned in. Thank you very much. See you next time.